adventurous manual four-wheel drive vehicle, then you're going to love this 2010 Jeep Wrangler. I'm Alana here at Woodys Automotive Group in Chillicothe and Lee Summit, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Raters Dealer of the Year for 2017 and 2018. And you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this black exterior color. Have your classic Jeep grille with your headlamps, fog lamps, and two tow hooks in the front. This has a 3.8 liter V6 engine, so plenty of power. And then looking down at your wheels, those are 18-inch alloy wheels in that 5-spoke design, and this is a trail rated 4x4, so that means you can take this thing anywhere. Then looking at your side mirrors, they are power adjustable, and then you have your running boards to help you up inside the vehicle. Okay, so looking at these front seats, we have these gray cloth seats with this kind of texturized insert right there in the middle, so super comfortable. Then you have your 4-spoke steering wheel right here. All of your wiper and light controls are on your fob on this side and this side. And then you have your media center over here with your LCD display. You do have a CD insert, and then all of your buttons to control that. You have an aux port as well. And then your climate controls are there. You have two 12-volt traction control hazards. And then, like I said earlier, this is a manual, so you can take full control with it. And then you have two cup holders here. And then your center console has 2 layers. So you have this top layer, and then you have more room underneath. And this is a 2-door vehicle, so let's look in the back seat real quick. You have room for 2 passengers back there. And this has a soft top, so it is a convertible. You can take the soft top off and just cruise around without windows or doors or anything, so super fun. Make your way around the back. You have your full-size spare tire located on the back of the vehicle. You have a tow package and a tow hook in the back as well, so you can bring your trailers and stuff with you. Then let's take a look into the trunk. Have plenty of space back here to stack your stuff or anything. And again, love the soft top, so you have different options when it comes to driving this vehicle around. So again, 4-wheel drive, tow package manual, amazing vehicle, super fun. And if you want to see this Jeep Wrangler or any of our other Jeeps, visit our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre mega lot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that says quite a bit right.
What do you think differentiates Woodys from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
I have so many different vehicles in my lot.
No fees processed. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.